In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change text background color in Figma. We'll keep this simple and clear. The idea is to change the color behind your text by updating the frame's background. This works best when your text sits inside a frame like a card, header, or section. If your text is already in a frame, you're good to go. If not, place it inside one first so the background change actually shows up behind the text. Start by selecting the frame that holds your text. Click anywhere on the frame in the canvas. You'll know you've got the right thing selected if the entire container is outlined. And, in the Layers panel, you see the frame highlighted rather than the individual text layer. If you accidentally select the text itself, click just outside it or use the Layers panel to choose the frame directly. Another quick tip. If frames are stacked, you can Command-click or Control-click to cycle through what's under your cursor until the frame is selected. With the frame selected, look to the right-hand sidebar. In the Design panel, find the Fill section. You should see a color swatch showing the frame's current background. Click that color swatch to open the color picker. From here, choose the color you want for the background behind your text. You can drag in the spectrum, use the hue slider, or type a precise hex, RGB, or HSL value. If your fill is toggled off, turn it on so the background becomes visible. You can also adjust the opacity if you want a softer background. If your team uses saved color styles, open the Styles tab in the picker to apply a consistent brand color. Prefer to match something already on your canvas? Click the eyedropper and sample a color directly from your design. As you adjust, keep an eye on text readability. Aim for enough contrast between the text color and the new background so everything remains legible. If your text starts to disappear, either darken or lighten the background, or consider slightly tweaking the text color to maintain accessibility. That's all there is to it. Select the frame that contains your text, then update the fill color in the right sidebar to the color you want. This immediately changes the background behind the text without altering the text itself, giving you fast, clean results across your design. Thanks for watching. If this helped, practice it on a few frames with different text sizes so you can quickly spot the best contrast and color choices in your projects.